In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collaborate in real time in Google Sheet. So as you can see here, there are two separate screens for this video. First screen, or on the left screen, it will be showcasing the general or the main owner of this Google Sheet. And on the other screen is the other collaborator for this tutorial. So we will be inviting this other collaborator, and we will now proceed in this tutorial. So how to invite this collaborator in order to collaborate in real time. So click on the share button in the right corner of the screen. And enter the name or email of the other collaborator. And then we will be assigning what role he has to be assigned of. So he will be an editor. And then click send in order to notify the other person. And just wait here in the Gmail section. And there it is. Click this email and open. And as you can see here, we are now inside the Google Sheet of the main collaborator. We will be typing in name here. And as you can see here on the left screen or in the screen of the main collaborator, we have added the name. It has updated a cell in the Google Sheet. Add another one on the main screen. Just hit enter. And there it is. As you can see here, collaboration for this Google Sheet has been complete, and we have modified some of the cells by filling in some details. So that's it for our tutorial today.